I don't know how to start this video. I'm feeling really like nervous. It's about an hour until I go and see Serena's dad, and basically I'm going to see her dad to ask for his blessing to marry Serena. I'm kind of low-key freaking out. The heart-to-heart, like I'm like nervous, but very like I'm not like nervous like he's gonna say no, but I'm like nervous, excited, because today is June 17th and our 6-year anniversary is on July 10th, which is less than a month away. I plan on doing it where we had our first date, and where I asked her to be my girlfriend. Good morning, baby. And today's the day. Today's the day. You're still asleep. I have to be quiet. Because I don't know if you can hear me from out here. But I just want to say I haven't been freaking out until like just now, until I woke up. I woke up really nervous. Like really nervous. Just like anxiety, like and every day leading up to this, it's been like cool, calm, collected, but like today's the day, and I think I already know the answer, but still I'm like lately freaking out. But I love you so much, and I hope I can surprise you today. I haven't been told you have lunch, but I hope that today I can surprise the hell out of you. Here's to the rest of our lives. And yeah, I love you.
For those of you who don't know me, I'm Sean's very proud father, Jesse. Thank you for coming to share this milestone event. It means so much to all of us that you're here at the occasion marking the beginning of their lifelong commitment. I've had 25 years, I think, with him. Hopefully more. He's Sean's dad, and I remember him when he was just born. Love, marriage, growing up seems to happen very fast. Love, marriage, happiness, all come together. May your wishes all come true. May you always do for others and let others do for you. May you build a ladder to the stars and climb on every rung. May you stay forever young. Sean and Serena, we love you. I love you.
Cheers!
Motherfucker! $1,000 camera.
I took over my bag.